Hello everyone. Today in this video tutorial, we are going to discuss about another node attribute, which is node property. As we all know, properties are an important element of Neo4j, but they do not have their own existence. Rather, we can define and associate them either with nodes or relationships. When it comes to represent the node property is represented as a list of key and value pairs wrapped around the curly braces inside node parentheses. However, the properties are optional attribute. That means a node can have 0 or more properties. So let's get started with creating a node with a single property. The syntax for creating a node with a single property is create parenthesis x colon label name curly braces property name colon value the white tiger return x. This cipher query will create a node with a label book and a property named title with its value the white tiger, which is represented as a key value pair enclosed within a pair of curly braces. Here we can see the property name and its value is separated by colon operator. So click on a play button. As we can see, a node with a property is created successfully. We can define multiple properties for a node, and a pair of property should be separated from comma with another pair of property. So let's create a node with multiple properties, and the syntax is create parenthesis x colon label name curly braces property name colon its value property name colon its value comma property name colon its value return x. This cipher query creates a node with three properties: title, author and publisher, with the values as the 3 mistakes of my life, Chetan Bhagat and Rupa and Company, with a label book. Click on a play button. As we can see, node labeled with book now have three properties. Property names are case sensitive and can contain underscores and alphanumeric characters, but must always start with a letter. The same rule is applicable to other identifiers also. For example, if I want to write a cipher query like create parenthesis n colon label name curly braces property name colon its value comma and the property name author colon its value comma property name colon its value In this cipher query, we have three properties, out of which two properties, author and author, are same in spelling and in meaning. But the first letter of both the strings is in different case. That is, one is in lowercase and other is in uppercase. So in Neo4j, these two strings are considered as different properties. Click on play button. As we can see, two properties with same name are created successfully. It is important to note that if we want to add a character other than underscore and alphanumeric, then we need to code the identifier in backquote sign. For example, if we want to include space in property name, then we need to wrap it inside the backquote sign. Consider the following cipher query. Create parenthesis n colon label name curly braces property name colon its value comma property name its value comma property name inside backquote sign colon its value comma property name inside the backquote colon its property return n. In this query, there are two properties, namely literary award and addition language, that are having space are enclosed with backquote sign. Click on play button. As we can see, the node is created successfully along with three properties. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video tutorial.